Hello my friends, and welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we are checking out this analog clock. So let's go ahead and show you what's in the box. In the box you get a manual, and this is the analog clock. I know so many people are so used to digital clocks, but this is the OG, man. Analog clock. So on the back here you have your notifications, volumes. In here is just where you put batteries, so it takes two AA batteries. A little disappointing that it's not rechargeable. Was hoping it would be rechargeable. I thought it was, but not. But I mean, these are so simple. You know, you basically set the time. The small hand is a slow hand, which would be the hour hand, and this one is the minute. So basically, you would set it like, for example, if it's 5 o'clock, it would be set like this. So if it's exactly 5, you'd set it pretty much, you know, try and line it up as close as you can. 5:30 would be at the second little dot right down there, because 15, 30, and so forth. But overall, it's nice. On and off button right here. Nice analog clock.